Why does your scanner show the P1778 engine code? And what it does mean? P1778 stands for Transmission Reverse, IP Circuit Malfunction, or Step Motor Function. The P1778 code indicates a problem with a vehicle's transmission. It means that there is a significant difference between the number of steps in the stepping motor and the actual gear ratio. This issue is usually related to the continuously variable transmission, CVT. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty step motor. Wiring issues. Transmission control module fault. Contaminated transmission fluid. Mechanical transmission problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. Mostly, this engine code occurred in Nissan models: Altima, Maxima, Rogue, Sentra, Murano, Frontier, Pathfinder, Juke, Titan, and Infiniti vehicles: Infiniti G35, Infiniti G37, Infiniti Q50, Infiniti QX60, Infiniti M35. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.